What's up, YouTube? Y'all probably like, damn, Jay's outside. It's Charger 17. About to go get my remote starter in my car right now. She's dirty right now, but I ain't about to go get it washed because it's supposed to rain or something. I'm not sure. But we're just gonna do, but it's sunny right now, so get this remote starter in here. So get her all hooked up. And we'll go from there, y'all. Catch y'all guys when I'm back. So, in my eyes, it's a busy day for your boy Jay. Got a lot of other stuff to do and everything. There's a boat show this weekend, so I don't know if I'm ready to get to it. I'm gonna see what else I'm doing. Like I said, I'm a busy day right now, so get over there, do that. Get this right now. I'll get back to y'all when I'm at the spot. Peace. Yeah, so the guy just told me my car, I know I said I was gonna be back, but it was quick. So I went in, signed paper and everything. Hit you when I get to the car. Yo, what's up, y'all? Charger 17, we back with something dope right now. Let me see if I lock this car real quick. Gotta show y'all, as you already heard in the video, got the remote starter install. He was pretty cool about it, pretty quick and everything. You know, they install it. I'm part of their little program thing, so it didn't really cost me for the installment fee. Got my little remote right here, so I'm about to hit it. About to show you guys. There we go, y'all. It's that little minute relay right there you got. But other than that, she starts up perfect and everything. Which is still dope. My car starts up without me in it. I like that. That would be cool if I could have it red by herself. That'd be awesome. But yeah, I had to get my remote started up in this thing. So, and then to turn her off, look at that. Woo, woo. She's dirty, but she's still looking ferocious. As you see though, I'm out here. And where is side of Victor? It's like Victor, but it's the Best Buy out this way. I'll put the description in bottom if anybody's around here where I'm from and they're stopping by, they need some stuff done or install. These guys will take care of you guys back there. But yeah, as you know, I didn't record while I got the car in there, so I didn't know if they was I was gonna ask, but I didn't want trouble. So it looked like they was pretty nice guys. I don't want to ruin their day, so not everybody want to be on camera. So even though they know it, but they see the name and everything, they pretty sure about it. But yeah, it was pretty dope. And what is it, unlocked still? All right. So I unlocked it, and there we go. Shuts off automatically and everything. Had to get used to playing with the remote. But other than that, my cold starts. While it's still winter, got another month to go. Who knows? Maybe next month might take a big turn and warm up for us. But yeah, this turned 17. That's all I had to do today. Well, not all, but other stuff. But yeah, this was a quick blog for her getting her remote starter in. I'll put the description with the product I got in for my car. And they got a bunch of other stuff. You can upgrade to a lot of things in there. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. Turn 17 again, like I said, y'all. We coming up 2020. We going. We got nothing else better to do but go up when the year go up. And I'm about to get in this thing because it's still cold out here. As you see, it's white everywhere. Kind of warm. Warm in the car. But cold out here. Yeah, get in here. Get in this big girl. Got my coverage for my whole year. And rested down the line. He's probably like, wow, this guy is pretty dope. Everything's covered. Covered. Check, 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 check. Booyah. Got that remote started, yo. This was popping. Dang, these doors, my door open wide as heck. Like, I'm already sitting there. That's the crazy thing about Dodge. The doors open so far. They ain't meant to open it that far. But yeah, they open so far. But anyway, this was a quick blog on getting a remote starter installed in here. So, catch you guys to the next blog. See you guys to the next time. Ain't got nothing else to say for y'all. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit that like, thumbs up, and subscribe. Just definitely subscribe, share. And let me turn this bad girl on so I can get home, see what the missus at, see what else we gotta do. And like I say, stay tuned to the next blog, y'all, because we are doing it up. Link up with my man A.O. Joe sometime. We gotta make videos here. But yeah, got a lot of stuff for y'all. A lot of stuff. Hopefully everything falls through on everything. It says hopefully it's shut off while I'm driving. But if it does, it's just reset the car or something he said. But that might not be one of the features. Oh. I don't want to hear the radio. Oh, wait. Turn the radio. Don't want that. Now my other stuff pop up. Let my screen finish popping up. The cool thing is, the car is not on. But before, when I turn it off, now this is the cool thing. Pretty sure everybody not everybody, but the ones that got these putting the seatbelt on. Safety first. Everyone that got these remote starters and stuff, you know, leave your heaters on. And basically, when the summertime comes, you already know. That guy's in here a rap. You ready? Ooh. It's early. It's still the morning. I'm about to tell you, there's a lot of people that go to these stores in the morning. But where I'm at is a lot of older folks, so they're couple people like 6, 7 of them getting out these cars, walking over. They're all looking like they got that look like, what the hell he's doing? Like I'm literally parked way far from everybody, but people still riding close to see what you're doing. It's always people being nosy. But yeah, I just ended this video, didn't I? I know I did. Video been ended. But you know when turn 17, turn on that camera, y'all. We ain't do nothing but talk. Alright. I'm not gonna drive with this camera on my hand because I passed the cop earlier. And he's not gonna see me because he was looking at me. Yeah, so anyway. Either because the red wheels or the name on the car, but he is not gonna look at this. But yeah. I'll catch you guys when I'm back at the house. Do another. I got every mouse stop. Alright, y'all. Turn 17. Peace. See you. I see you when we went back at the house. Alright. Yeah. Hold on. What's going on, YouTube? It's still gonna be the same video, just a different day for me right here. But awaken. Bad girls on, bad girls on, bad girls on. Yeah, y'all. That was a little quick end of the video right there. So as you know, I didn't get to show y'all guys. I'm gonna still repeat it. Didn't get to show no installment of it, of the charger getting the remote starter in. But it's a Viper remote starter. So yeah, sound cool. Sound cool. This is what's up. Sounds good. Alright, we out. To the next vlog. To the next vlog. Peace.